Welcome. Today I am with JBL Tune 225 True Wireless Sound earphones, and I'll show you how you can turn them on and turn them off manually. So as you can see right now we are connected, and normally when you want to turn them off you have to just simply put them back to the charging case. It works in the most cases, but of course if you have problem that they are still activate when you close the case, I will show you how you can make it manually. And the same with turn them on. So to turn them on, you have to remove them from the case and they will be automatically turned on. As you can see, in my case it's working, but if you have any problem, take a look. At the first we are going to turn them off. To make it, we have to click and hold left and the right one for 5 seconds by using these buttons. So let's make it right now. Click and hold both buttons and take a look on these indicators. When they blink on the white color for 2 times, it means that they are turned off successfully. As you can see right now we are disconnected. To turn them on back, we have to use the same buttons, but hold them for 2 seconds. Let's make it right now. And now release. As you can see, right now we are connected back. So, to assume, we get 2 methods to turn them on and turn them off. You can make it automatically by put them to the case and removing from the case, and also by using these buttons. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.